Highlighting and adding notes in a digital textbook is largely the same as in a physical textbook. However, your digital textbook allows you to add and change highlighter colors, as well as to assign descriptive names to your highlighter colors, so each means something different. For example, maybe you want to highlight certain information for an exam, other information for a paper, and still other information for points you need your instructor to clarify. With an active internet connection, Bookshelf will save and sync your highlights regardless of whether you've made these highlights on Bookshelf downloaded to your desktop or laptop, on Bookshelf accessed via an internet-connected computer, or on Bookshelf residing on your mobile iOS or Android device. Let's start with making a highlight and then discuss all the highlighting features. In Bookshelf Downloadable, there are 3 ways to highlight your text. One way is to select the highlighter from the drop-down menu in the Book Window toolbar. Select the text to highlight and click on the highlighter pen icon in the toolbar. The other way to highlight is to select the text to highlight and right-click. Choose Make Highlight. The highlight will be made with the highlighter displayed in the toolbar. Finally, you can enable fast highlights, and simply selecting text will automatically highlight it. To turn off this feature, go to Book menu and select Fast Highlights once more. To change the highlight color within the book, right-click on the highlighted text and choose Change to Highlighter. A list of the available highlighters will display. Choose the desired highlighter. To remove a highlighter within the book, right-click on the highlighted text and choose Remove Highlight. The highlight and any notes created will be deleted. To change the highlight color from the Notes pane, right-click on the highlight and choose Change to Highlighter. A list of the available highlighters will display. Choose the desired highlighter. To remove a highlight from the Notes pane, right-click on the highlight and choose Remove Highlight and Note. The highlight and any notes created will be deleted. Bookshelf offers the ability to copy and export highlights. Either within the book or in the Notes pane, simply right-click on the highlight and you will see options to copy and export highlights. You can use the Copy or Export feature to create your own study guide. Use the Shift key to select consecutive highlights, and then right-click and choose Copy Selected Highlights. To cherry-pick certain highlights to copy, use the Control, PC, or Command, Mac, to select the highlights. When you copy a highlight and paste into a word processing document such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, or TextEdit, the citation information is also pasted. This feature is turned on by default. To disable this feature, go to your Bookshelf preferences and unselect Include bibliographic info when copying text. Exporting a highlight creates a new file that you can save to a location of your choice. By default, the citation information will also be in the new document. Just as we did with copying and exporting, hiding a highlighter can be done within a book or in the Notes pane, simply by right-clicking a highlight. Hiding a highlighter disables the entire highlighter from within the book and the Notes pane. This includes all highlights and notes taken with that highlighter. To enable the highlighter again, go to the main Bookshelf window in the far left pane. The hidden highlighter will be grayed out. Right-click and select Show Highlighter. Let's move on to Notes. In an open book, select the highlighter, for example, Test Notes, from the drop-down menu in the Book Window toolbar. Select the relevant text and click the highlighter pen with sticky note icon in the toolbar. A note window pops up and you can type the desired text. Close the Notes window. Notes are saved and appear in the book's Notes tab. This actually also creates a highlight and a note at the same time. If you have already made a highlight and want to add a note, right-click on the created highlight either within the book or in the Notes pane and choose Add Note to Highlight. A note window pops up and you can type the desired text. Close the Notes window. Notes are saved and appear in the book's Notes tab. To sort your existing notes, right-click in the Notes tab and hover over Sort Notes By. A window will appear with 4 options: Book Order, Last Modified, Highlighter, and Note.